So this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I'm actually very surprised with the phone case. I am really obsessed with it. It was hard to find one super early. I got this one off of Amazon, as well as the screen protector, so I will link literally everything down in the description box if you would like to purchase anything. This is how the case looks like. I think it looks really cool. So the sides are also perfect for all the buttons, and the only button you can actually see is the new button right here, which is the new camera button. Just click it and it takes you straight to the camera right there. You can see me. So instead of having to go into the phone and then also into the camera icon in general, you can just click the button. It'll take you straight to just automatically like take a picture or take a video or whatever you want. The zoom is also greater in here. I do still have to try out the phone more, so if you want like a follow-up video, let me know in the comments. But overall, the phone looks pretty nice. It is bigger. I used to have this one, which is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So right now you can just kind of tell a little bit of the sizing. It is a tiny bit difference. This case is just really chunky, but I will put the size of the one on the left versus the one on the right on the screen. This also has the new power cable, which it did come with. with, but this is the USB-C instead of the old Lightning. This is the last phone with Lightning, which is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer as many things as I can depending on how I've been using the phone. So don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!